Now let's go through each line and what it means. I ping google.com. First, we can get a computer name, google.com. This is your target, the website or IP address you are trying to reach. Think of it as the destination address on an envelope. Remote address 142.250.69.206. This is Google actual IP addresses. It's like the GPS coordinates of the website. Even though we type google.com, this is the actual numerical address our computer is connecting to. Interface alias Wi-Fi. This shows how your computer is connecting to the internet. In our case, we are using Wi-Fi, but it could also show Ethernet if you are using cable connection. Source addresses 92.168.86.64. This is your computer address on the network, like your home's return address on that envelope. In this case, it's our local IP address. Ping succeed. True. The simple yes no answer. Did we reach the destination or not? True means success, false means failure. Ping replay details. RTT 7 milliseconds. This is the round trip time in milliseconds. How long it took for our signal to reach Google and come back. Think of it like a digital boomerang. Now, let's look at the different scenarios from our test. Alright, I have got something that will make your life so much easier when it comes to network performance and troubleshooting. Please take a moment to bookmark this link. I will put this link on my description field. So, because I'm going to regular updating this page with the latest network latency stats and new troubleshooting guides. So whenever you face network issues or want to boost your performance, this will be your go-to resource. So don't wait, bookmark the link today. Remember, having the latest tools, tips and troubleshooting guides just a click away can save you time, reduce stress, and keep your network running at peak performance. Let's make networking easy and efficient together. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you on the page. Stay sharp, stay connected, and keep learning. See you soon.